God loves me. God loves me not. God loves me. God loves me not.
Excuse me.
God loves me.
Excuse me.
God.
Guru Chappie, I'm a famous British explorer, and I've come all the way up this mountain to ask you some very important questions.
Go right ahead.
Okay, can you see into the future?
Oh yes, I can see into the future, but I can see into the past much better.
Let me ask you this very important question. How do you feel about yogurt?
Oh, yogurt. I do not like to stand on my head.
Does meditation give you any sort of extra powers?
Oh, yes, meditation can give you great powers. When you focus in on the life energies that are within you, you can do a great many things. You can achieve great powers through meditation. You can make a quarter disappear from your hand. You can raise the sofa from the floor with your mental energies. You can cook a turkey by staring at it real hard. But my favorite is being able to look through people's clothes.
I have one last question.
Thank goodness.
Why are you here on Maui?
I'm on Maui?
Yes.
Well, I'll be. Oh, I was meditating on Mount Ararat and I must have astrally projected myself here. I'm sorry, but I have to go now. Peace be with you. Oh, I forgot my flowers. And my towel.